What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to program the garage door opener that's built into a 2022 Chevy Silverado. This also looked the exact same on the GMC Sierra. So in order to do this, we'll need a mobile garage door opener like this that's already programmed. And then we're going to pick one of these three buttons that we want. I'm going to pick number 3 for this video. So what we're going to do is press the button down on the mobile garage door opener and the built-in one at the same time and continue to hold them down. So I'm going to press them both and continue to hold them down. And you see the light blinking slowly there. Once it starts blinking quickly, you can release both buttons. And then once it stops blinking altogether, press that button one time. And now it should be programmed. Let's go ahead and test it out. And that's working. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.